everyone, let's play name, place, animal thing but with a twist. Instead of the traditional name, place, animal thing, we will play cartoon character name, capital city of a country, birds or animal and things. Sounds good? Alright then. Let's check which alphabet we get first from the box. It's the letter R. For cartoon character we have R for Ruby from Rusty Rivets. Then for capital city we have R for Riga, which is capital of Latvia. Then we have R for Rooster. And R for Rainbow. So there you go. We have cartoon character Ruby, capital city Riga, bird, rooster and thing, rainbow, all starting with the letter R. Now let's check which alphabet we get next from the box. It's the letter H. Well, I choose H for Hello Kitty. Then for capital city, I choose H for Harare, which is capital of Zimbabwe. Then we have H for horse and H for hare. So there you go. We have cartoon character Hello Kitty, capital city Harare, animal horse and thing hare, all starting with the letter H. Come on, let's check which letter we get next from the box. It's the letter A. Well, I choose A for Anastasia. And then for capital city, I choose A for Abu Dhabi, which is capital of United Arab Emirates. And then we have A for Anaconda. And A for arrow. So there you go. We have cartoon character Anastasia, capital city Abu Dhabi, animal anaconda and thing arrow, all starting with the letter A. Come on, let's check the next alphabet that comes from the box. It's the letter D. I choose D for Diego from Go Diego Go. He rescues animals. Then for capital city we have D for Dublin, which is capital of Ireland. And then we have D for duck. And D for desert. So there you go. We have cartoon character Diego, capital city Dublin, bird, duck and thing desert, all starting with the letter D. Come on, let's check the next alphabet we get from the box. It's the letter W. I choose W for Wilma Flintstone. She is Fred Flintstone's wife. And for capital city we have W for Warsaw, which is capital of Poland. Then we have W for whale. And W for water. So there you go. We have cartoon character Wilma Flintstone, capital city Warsaw, animal whale and thing water, all starting with the letter W. Come on, let's check the next alphabet we get from the box. It's the letter S. I choose S for Sakura. She has got a magical pet and magical cards. Then we have S for Stockholm, which is capital of Sweden. And we have S for Stag. And S for shirt. So there you go. We have cartoon character Sakura, capital city Stockholm, animal stag and thing shirt, all starting with the letter S. Come on, let's check which alphabet we get next from the box. It's the letter O. I choose O for Oggy, from Oggy and the cockroaches. Ew. And then we have O for Oslo, which is capital of Norway. Then we have O for Ostrich. And O for Ocean. So there you go. We have cartoon character Oggy, capital city Oslo, bird Ostrich and think Ocean, all starting with the letter O. Come on, let's check the next alphabet we get from the box. It's the letter P. I choose P for Peter Pan. Then we have P for Paris, which is capital of France. And we have P for Piranha, dangerous fish with sharp teeth. And we have P for plant. So there you go. We have cartoon character Peter Pan, capital city Paris, animal piranha and think plant, all starting with the letter P. Come on, let's check the next letter we get from the box. It's the letter C. I choose C for Courage the Cowardly Dog. He is a little different dog. I'm not sure if you've watched this cartoon. Anyway, then we have C for Canberra, which is capital of Australia. Then we have C for Camel. And C for Cup. So there you go. We have cartoon character Courage the Cowardly Dog, capital city Canberra, animal camel and think cup, all starting with the letter C. Come on, let's check the next letter we get from the box. It's the letter S. I choose S for Suneo. He's from Doraemon. Then we have S for Seoul, which is capital of South Korea. Then we have S for Squirrel. And S for Snow. So there you go. We have cartoon character Suneo, capital city Seoul, animal squirrel and think snow, all starting with the letter S. Come on, let's check the next letter we get from the box. It's the letter B. I choose B for Baloo from Jungle Book. He is a friendly bear. Then we have B for Buenos Aires, which is capital of Argentina. Then we have B for Bison. And B for Basket. So there you go. We have cartoon character Baloo, capital city Buenos Aires, animal bison and think basket, all starting with the letter B. Come on, let's check which alphabet we get next from the box. It's the letter F. I choose F for Frieza from Dragon Ball Z. Then we have F for Freetown, which is the capital of Sierra Leone. And we have F for Flamingo. And F for Fire. So there you go. We have cartoon character Frieza, capital city Freetown, bird Flamingo and think fire, all starting with the letter F. Come on, let's check the next letter we get from the box. It's the letter O. Well, I choose O for Obelix from the Asterix comics. Wonderful, strong person. Then we have O for Ottawa, which is the capital of Canada. Then we have O for Owl. And O for Oven. So there you go. We have cartoon character Obelix, capital city Ottawa, bird owl, and think oven, all starting with the letter O. Well, hope you enjoyed the video today. See you next time. Bye bye.